Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good morning, Ma'am, sir. I'm Amy Alintahan. I'm 29 years old. I live in Villafonte, Balong, Antique. I'm single. I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters. I am a fourth of the family and I'm graduated of high school.
Okay. Do you have any experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, Ma'am. I worked in Saudi Arabia 2 years and 2 children and with 5 years old and 2 years old.
Okay, so couple with 2 years old, 5 years old, and 2 years old. Am I right?
Yes, Ma'am.
Okay, what did you do there inside Saudi for 2 years?
I do all household chores like cleaning, washing, ironing clothes, cooking, especially my duties to take care for her children.
So your main duty there is to take care of the kids. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, honest, and responsible person, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, ma'am. I left an arm.
Okay, do you have any surgical operation before?
No, ma'am.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad to support my family and build my household.
Okay, if you get tired, who will take care of your children?
My mother, ma'am.
Okay, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you are working there?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. or I finish my work and
What time do you wake up in the morning?
5 o'clock in the morning, ma'am.
Okay, are you the one who do the cooking and marketing?
Yes, ma'am.
In Hong Kong, kids, the kids, they're super active and sometimes they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
More patient and understanding, ma'am.
Okay, if you're homesick, what would you do?
I work and I remind myself I need this job to this family, ma'am.
Okay. Do you have any allergy to certain food?
No, ma'am.
Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
When you visited the parents, relative, and friends of your employer, will you help them and do some household chores there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids?
Yes, ma'am.
What will you do if the baby is sick?
I will check the temperature of the baby and the baby is sick. I call the employer, ma'am.
Okay, do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please, can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me an example.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. In my water boiling, hear me shout. Let me sing and oil me out.
Okay, can you please say something to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, sir, ma'am. I hope you select me as your helper. I'm hardworking, responsible person and honest. I serve your family to all my best, ma'am. Thank you.